Hey, what's going on, guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today we're going to be testing out this medium format film camera I got from my local thrift store. So yeah, I picked this up at a Savers where I live. It's like 10 minutes from my home. This was in their, like, you know, where in thrift stores where they hold their more expensive stuff that they know works and stuff, and like the front, it's like up in like the glass containers. Well, I saw this up there and I was like, okay, I need it. I bought it for, I think it was $65 or $55. I think it was $55. This was $55. I got it for 55 bucks. The Yashica D. It is just very fun. It's a 6x6, so it's, you know, it's the square format. Not the coolest format there is, but it's fun. Definitely something new. It shoots 120 film. And yeah, so this video we're going to be testing it out. I took it out a couple times, but yeah, these are the shots I got.
Yeah, I know that. Okay. I think so. Yeah. I mean, the number. It's better quality than my phone.
Because Eric fucking hacked it.
He jailbroke it and just made it a higher resolution. It's that easy.
Oh, I can get 11.
I'm trying to think of, like, there's certain parts where it hurts more, but like the most pain felt like kind of like a cat scratch,
Oh, okay.
like a mild cat scratch, not like fucking trying to kill your face.
So it's just like kind of a deep pain at one really like precise point, kind of.
Yeah. It's not like deep, it's more like sharp. But if you go,
Or yeah.
if you go for a while,
Last week.
after they're done, it doesn't hurt at all. For you to get yours, like 2 hours.
Oh, that's right.
All right, and that is the video. So overall, I'm super pleased with this camera. Definitely gonna be using this thing more. I might sell it and then buy a 6x7 medium format. I'm not sure yet. I just want something a little wider than 6x6. I don't really like the box that much, the square format. But for $55, it is super fun to use this thing. I've shot 3 rolls on it now. I think I'm gonna go through some more. I might just finish off this pack, sell the camera, and then get a new one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys liked this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool or helpful. Check out some of the other videos. We got a lot of film content out now, and I plan on doing more. I don't know, with school and midterms, you know, college is not very easy. I'm not really having a lot of time, you know, go out and shoot, or much less edit videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See you guys next time. Peace.